So number 10 talks about the height of plant A. Research question 1 is asking for the mean population height. The hypothesis 1 see, well, the mean is less than 80, so we've got to prove to see whether or not this is true. Research question number 2 asks for the average dispersion, meaning how different the heights are amongst themselves. And hypothesis 2 says the average dispersion or difference between the heights is less than 20. So the data that is going to be used to answer this research question, here it is. So part A, part 1 says to calculate the averages, the 3 averages, the mean, median, and mode. And to do that, you have to get assistance in week 4, page 3. So week 4 deals with the numerical analysis of data, the calculation of descriptive measures. We go to page 3. And it talks about the averages for raw data. It says here, let's discuss how to calculate the averages using raw data. We will use the following data. And here are the steps. You have the mean, the median, and the mode, starting with the mean. Mean for raw data. Got it? That's for number 10, part A, 1. Let's discuss how to calculate the averages using raw data. We will use the following data set. So for the mean for raw data, here are the steps. You find the sum of the values. In other words, you add them up. You count how many values are present. In other words, you find the sample size. And you divide the sum by the sample size. This process of finding the mean of a sample of raw data can be summarized by the following formula. So here is the formula to calculate mean for raw data. There it is. Okay. And here is an example. So as you can see, you simply add up the values and you divide by the number of values. Okay? Now, whenever you see this symbol called sigma. Okay, please take note. Here it is the international symbol for sum. The E, here it is. It's called sigma, and it is the international symbol for sum. So this symbol is called sigma, and it is the international symbol for sum. So anytime you see this symbol, you've got to say sum. Okay? In order to properly use this symbol, because from now on you are going to see it very frequently in this worksheet, you must complete all what is to the right of it first before you sum. You must find the sum last. Okay, so please remember that. You must find the sum last. To do this efficiently, it is wise to create a table in order to complete all operations to its right. Example. You can go to a new tab. You can go to Excel or Google Sheets. Create a new Google Sheet, which of course is called tables. In this example, when you look at sigma, the only operation you see in there to the right of sigma is X. So therefore, you label your table X. So this is a very simple example. So let us do the X's. Please call out the X's for me in our example. What are the X's? What is the first X? $87 in worksheet B. 87 to 70. Call them out for me. 87, 96, 69, 99, 93, 88, 99, 98, 90, 70. That's all. So we have the values. Someone said to arrange the values in ascending order. To find the mean, you don't have to. To find the median, yes. By putting the values in your spreadsheet, you can arrange it order very easily. You go to data, sort sheet, column A, and it can arrange it for you in ascending order from 69 to 99. Okay? Here we have the values. You can easily find the sum. Look the sigma sign right here. Functions. Find the sum from A1, no, A2, from A2 to where? A2 to A11. You all got the sum to be 889. Yes? And here on the side or below, you can type the word mean is equal to, and you click the equal function, 889 divided by how many values are there? 10. And here you found the mean, 88.9. So you could have easily done that using Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheet. Also, you can even verify your answer by using the program in Google Sheets because it is programmed to find the average. Also, you can find the average of those values easily to cross-check your answer from A2 to A11. And here it is. As a cross-check. Give me a slightly different answer because it has a slightly different formula using. I know about that formula, but it's way above the level of this course. So you can either use it or you can use the formula, the value we got. So we're using 88.9. So I'm just showing you how you can use a spreadsheet to actually do this calculation.